Got a nice full bottle. Okay, nice full bottle. Welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Brittany U. Welcome to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Hey girl, hey. So today's video is all about this unit. Okay, you see me with this light ash blonde hair color. You see me? Do you see me? 2021, this is how we stepping in. Okay guys, so real quick, I just want to give you guys the details on this hair. Shout out to LUVME Hair for sending me this hair to review for you guys. I am actually glad they reached out because I actually am impressed with this brand. I like it all. Okay, you'll see a little bit of funny things happening, you know, with me working with the wig, but so far I give this hair an 8 out of 10. Okay, I really do like it. My discount code is BBU20. They have a 60% off sale right now, so you don't want to miss it. So quick deets before we jump into the demoing of the hair, the installation and everything like that. So this is a loose wave. It's 18 inches. It's called the Balayage Light Ash Brown Color Glueless T-Part. It's a simple lace wig. Okay, I didn't really know it's simple, but it's really simple actually. So I'll have all the links in the description box below. So 18 inches, 280 grams, 100% virgin hair from one donor, 180% density. This is pretty thick. I love it. Let me show you guys. Put it in a ponytail. So this is it. This is it. Okay, it's thickiana. All right, thick. The hairline they said was pre-plucked, but I definitely went in and pre-plucked and plucked some more. So the unit comes with an adjustable strap and an elastic band. I love the built-in elastic band because I didn't have to go in and do my own like thoughtfulness. Yes, I love it. So the lace is also a Swiss medium brown lace, and it's just a T part, so literally just a T part, like literally just a T part. But yeah guys, giveaway details will be included in this video, so stay tuned. I listened to what you guys said on my last video, so I'm gonna go with what the subscriber says and we gonna get it rolling. All right, love you guys, can't wait to talk to you guys next time. This is a state you rarely see me in, but hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Brittany U. Today we are going to be applying a wig, honey. Yes ma'am, you heard correctly. We are going to be applying this wig that you see on my hair, this unit. It is from LUVME Hair Company. This is the box the hair came in. It is so pretty. Came in with a bow. I took the bow off just so that I can, you know, get the wig on and everything. They were so sweet to send me a little headband thingamabob, really cute. Their brand LUVME clip-ins, how cute. And also bobby pins, an elastic band, and the wig caps that I have underneath. So the wig cap is not really my color, just because it's just a little bit too light, but we can always finesse, you know what I mean? So I don't have my hair braided. My hair is actually just out. So I just have it out in a little ponytail, just sitting. And I put two wig caps on when my hair is like this, just because it compresses like my hair a lot better. Like it makes it super flat. So this is the hair. I'm gonna pull the hair forward. So let's take a look. So I'm definitely gonna have to cut the ear tabs. Yeah. Oh shit! Did y'all see that? What the hell? That was scary. That really was a little bit scary. Okay. So, wow. I don't know what to say about that. That is a method of cutting your lace. It really is. I've done that before, but I've never done it that hard. So I think what it is I do have it. I might have it on the wrong kind of like thing. So let's figure this out. Let's just figure. Okay, this has also, this comes with the wig clips or whatever. Oh wow, that's not so cute. Why did that happen to me right now? But it's okay. Is it though? Is it okay? I don't think it really. It's not all that. I wouldn't want that to happen, but I am the queen of imperfect, and it did it again. Oh my god, y'all! Like, oh no, ma'am. What? I'm upset. This wasn't supposed to happen like this. I kind of want to cry. Like, how's the lace ripping off? I'm not that hard with it. Okay. Wow, this is not cool. I don't even have any lace. I'm kind of upset, y'all. So, this was a flop. But what we're gonna do, I'll have to wear this as a yeah, I'll have to wear this as a what? I just don't understand why I don't have lace right now. I don't have lace. I don't get it. Is that how? I don't know. I don't know if that's how this thing is supposed to be, but I don't think that is how it's supposed to be. Oh, where do we go from here? I'm kind of confused. I'm shook. So I guess the lace, I would say the lace is very what's the word, fragile. I haven't worked with lace in a minute, so excuse me if I was a little bit rough. That I feel like that was my fault. So anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take some mousse. This is Lotta Body Coconut Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. Usually, and I don't do my wigs, I don't I can't even think. Excuse me. What? I'm still shook. Okay. Usually I do not do my wigs on my head. I do it on a mannequin and I go from there. That's how I normally do my wigs. One second. I'm gonna do this hair on a wig cap and then I will come and show you guys what I ended up doing. So I'll be back. All right, me and my bald cap realness. So I just tweezed the front part or the middle part, and then also just gave like the hairline a little tweeze. So now this has become a closure wig. So really this is a T-part wig. It's my first time with a T-part wig. I really like the construction of this wig. It has an elastic band already that comes with it, and you just hook it to the other side like so. And so then you have an elastic band. I really like it. It's soft and it doesn't really bother me. The combs now, I'm not a comb person. I normally cut the combs off, but they haven't bothered me, so I'll leave them. I think the positioning of where they are really good. So I'm just going to use my foundation beauty blender and go over whatever little lace that I have left. So I'm going to tack this down a little bit later. So if you do decide to get this hair, I just want to let you know, be gentle with it. I haven't worn a wig in like a couple of weeks, so I forgot how fragile these laces are. So just be very careful. Make sure when you're plucking the lace for your part, you're using a really good what is it? Using a really good tweezer. I am using Tweezerman's tweezer, and it gets the root of the hair follicles like really well. So I recommend using a really good tweezer, going slow, going steady. And yeah, that's really it to that process. I'm gonna go with my Style Factor hair pomade stick. It's their sweet peach scent, and it's a strong hold. It does kind of have a white residue, but you know, you're trying to tame these flyaways, so but once you press it out with your hot comb, it goes away. Using my hot comb from Amazon. This is also to see if this hair responds well to heat. It's doing really good. No burning smell. I'm just doing a demo for you guys. I really like the curls that came with this hair. It's the loose curl pattern, I think. So I'm not trying to mess with the curls at all. Just trying to make sure I have a very flat, you know, wig. I do love the fact that this wig, this unit, it has a long part. I would say this is like a 13 by 6 frontal T lace wig. So the long parts just to me give me so much life. So I love the fact that, you know, the part can go from all the way down here. I love that look. That's like my favorite part. I'm done with using the flat comb on the hair. I'm going to go with a concealer and make sure my part's a lot straighter than this because it's looking a little crooked. Okay, it's looking a little crooked. So yeah, so one thing I will say about this hair is it doesn't shed a lot, but it is processed, it's colored, so it's gonna have some shedding. Expect that. But am I just like finding particles on my top and stuff like that? No. Only particles that I'm finding on my top was from when I was plucking the middle part straighter and the hairline, of course. So that is the only hair that I really experienced as far as coming out. That this is super long, like I can part it all the way down here. I love that. So it's giving me a 13 by 6 lace closure vibe. But but you can only part this hair in the middle. Like it gives you like a small like little section where you can part, and this is it. So if you wanted to make it middle or side, it's gonna have to stay. It's taking very well to the heat. I will say the knots are super dark. Okay, super dark. But I am not in the business of bleaching hair. Okay, I didn't want to bleach it. I feel like your foundation will do really good as far as like bleaching the knots. So I'm not too concerned on that aspect. I'm not concerned at all. So I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. Yeah, I'm just gonna take my NARS Soft Matte. Put a nice cute layer. And then when you put your got to be, you don't want to just put a little thin stripe as far as width. You want to make sure it's wide enough so that it sticks very well. So you kind of want to make it wider, so the hair sticks well and doesn't lift on you. I hope you guys can see. I feel like this review went everywhere, but you know what? You just gotta roll with the punches of life. Roll with them. Because I was not expecting that at all. I'm still shook by it. I'm shook. That method works if you really want to take a lot of hair out and you're not about to sit there and pluck. Okay? That's the only way that method works. But if you don't have that much lace, no ma'am, that should not be ripping. But you know, you live and you learn. Okay, now I'm going crazy. I don't know why I'm putting so much. Got a nice full bottle. Okay, nice full bottle. We're gonna go right where we need to go. Okay. All right. This is normally how I lay all my lace fronts, closure wigs. I do it just like this. Cut the excess lace off. Wrap the edges down. Once it's done drying, I'll come back and I'll show you guys the end results. Okay, this is the finished result of the hair. I did just, you know, lay it down. I didn't do too much as far as baby hairs. I wasn't in that kind of mood today, but maybe as the days go by on, that's normally how I do it. I add baby hairs. I'm normally not a baby hair girl. I think this unit is so cute. Like when I got it out of the box, I was impressed. I really love the color. I do love the length. I think it's super cute. As the days go by on, I might even give myself a little bang here and there. But yeah, so this is the curls natural. This is how I got the hair. I didn't have to do any extra curls to it. I think this hair is super pretty. We're looking good. We're not pulling up. You know, it's, you know, we're doing good. I'm not gonna yank it, but it looks really good. I really like this hair. This hair is from LUVME hair. Once again, I do have a discount code with this hair company. It's called, or it's gonna be BBU20. I'm gonna put it down on the screen below. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Can't wait to work with you guys a little bit more. I am excited. I would love to try out more types of like units with them. The color, I feel super pretty. This hair has bounce. Let's look at it from the back. Hope you guys can see it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I customize my hair on camera because I don't really do that a lot. I really do like this hair. I think it's an affordable unit. I think it's super pretty. Please don't forget to use the discount code if you decide to purchase BBU20, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. I love y'all.